We are transforming an egg carton into ocean animals, and I can't wait to share today's with you. It's a stingray. They are so graceful and just beautiful. The way that their wing-like fins catch the water, it looks like they're flying. All right, let's get creative. See that white piece of paper? That is a stencil that I made for you to make it easier to get the shape of the wing-like fins. So I've included how to download it in the description below. I like to use biodegradable glitter because regular glitter is made up of little plastic bits that can harm ocean life. To make it into an ornament that you can hang, you can use twine to hot glue it, or you can use a paper clip. That's what I use. And I pushed it through gently, and it takes a little bit of work, but you can punch a small hole and then wrap the wire of the paper clip so that you can hang it. And you can customize it however you want. You can paint it different colors. You can put eyes on it. Have fun. If you want to see stingrays in action, come join me on my virtual paddle adventure. I'll include the link in the description below. I'll be back tomorrow with another ocean animal transformation, so don't miss it. And in the meantime, you can check out my other upcycled ocean animals.